This is Ryan here at RTA Cabinet Reviews, and RTA stands for Ready to Assemble. Today we're going to be covering Mainstays, a Walmart brand. And as you can see here, it is a little bit incomplete. There's a huge hole in this area, and that's because we have one of these pieces right here where the dowels broke off. And instead of having wooden dowels that are more structurally sound, they're thin, they're plastic, and they break easily. They're a little bit cheap. I was actually very surprised that this is the kind of quality that went out into the market. They also have these here, which are optional panels that go into the back. They're made of thick cardboard. I've seen worse, but it is also a little cheap, and you have to nail the back if you want that particular look for your cube organizer. The back of this is made of quote-unquote engineered wood, which is a nice way of saying particle board, and it is pretty raw and pretty terrible to feel in terms of texture. It took me about 50 minutes to assemble this. 10 minutes was debating if I wanted to finish this. So I give this a 0 out of 5 cubby holes. If you want a more in-depth review, check out the blog, The Ultimate Guide to Cube Storage, as well as other blog articles that are in the website. Again, this is Ryan here at RTA Cabinet Reviews. Until next time.